I'm Carl, and welcome back to my YouTube channel on knives. Either folder knives, fixed blade knives, kitchen knives, just whatever. Razor knives, box knives, just whatever. Any kind of knives. I collect knives, not the expensive knives, but just the average everyday knives that the average person can afford. This knife here is the Ozark Trail, sold by Wal-Mart. 7-inch folding knife. This is in the Christmas 2023 specials that they have every year. $5 for this knife. So I've got another 2023 knife. I'm going to open up this package and let this knife free, and we're going to take a look at this and see how we like it. There we go. Trying to get past that clip right there and through this plastic, this blister pack. There we go. Here is the tip guard that I'm not quite 100% sure, but I believe that OSHA makes them put these tip guards on here for safety reasons. Let's look at this package first. 7-inch folding knife. There we go. Like I said, this is a Wal-Mart. Here's the overall knife. Serrated portion on this corner, on this end of the knife. Now, me personally, I don't like serrated blades. Some people like them, but I'm just not a big fan of them. Plastic handle, belt clip on the back. It is not reversible. Ozark Trail logo right there in the front. There's the lock right there. Opens up pretty easy. Let's try to. There you go. Easy with that. A little stiff. Needs to be worked in a little bit. Loosen that up a little bit. Anyway, as you put it in the pocket, it's going to be a tip down, which means here's your pocket clip. Going to sit in the pocket like this, and the tip of the blade is going to be pointed down. Again, it's a personal preference if you like to tip down or tip up. Lanyard hole here in the end. It is a see-through handle. The blade is pretty well centered. You hear that lock? There we go. No blade play at all. A little bit of jimping right here. I like this blade. I just don't like the serrated portion on it. Now this back here, where the camo section is, it is not completely flat with the rest of the scale. On the back it's not too bad, but on the front it's just a little bit lower than this part of the knife. So this part is just a tiny bit lower than this. Not a big deal. Let's see. 1, 2, 3 screws, different sizes. Let's see, we got 2 screws to hold on the pocket clip, and then the back is going to be same as the front. It's not going to be a bad knife, but surely not my favorite. Got a piece of paper over here. Let's go and test this. It does cut. I'm trying not to get in the serrated part right here. Just the regular flat blade. Okay, in the serrated part, it is cutting, but it's a little bit rougher. There you go, in the flat blade again. Not too bad, especially for a $5 knife. Christmas 2023 Christmas special, Walmart. I think this would be decent, nice to keep in your glove compartment, your toolbox. Maybe even your cup holder on your lawnmower. Tackle box. Cheap gift to somebody that you need to buy something for, but you just don't know what. I didn't mention I had the thumb studs right here. There we go. Each side. To release the blade. This little lever right here. Just push to one side. And it'll fold up. A lot more use, and you'll be able to flick it out with no problem. Not too bad. My name's Carl, and I do appreciate you watching.